Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is Verbs. Students, the verb is a word that expresses some action, feeling or existence of being. Let's take a few examples, students. For example, if I say Jennifer walked to the store, students, walked is an action done in the past. It's a past tense action. Suppose if I say you were a great singer. When I am saying this, it means students were is the past tense state of being. You were a great singer. So it's a past tense state of being, students. Suppose if I say Jennifer walked to the store. Students, in this sentence, walked is the verb that shows an action. It happened in the past and so it is a past tense verb. Suppose, take another example, you were a great singer. Now students, in this sentence, the verb is were. It shows a state of being that was in the past, so it is a past tense verb. For example, after lunch, I will call my mother. Now, in this sentence, students, will call is the verb phrase and it shows that something will happen in the future and so it is a future tense verb. Take another example, students. Mosquito bites itch. Now, students, in this sentence, itch is the verb. It shows a current state of being, so it is a present tense verb. Now, students, let's talk about the types of verbs, students. Now, students, verbs basically are divided into two types, students, and one is transitive verb, another is intransitive verb. Now, what is the definition of transitive verb, students? Coming to the transitive verb, students, verbs that require objects to make grammatical sense are called as transitive verbs. Now, we use the word object over here. So, what does object mean? What is the object of a verb? Now, students, the object of a verb answers the question like what or who. Let's take some examples. She admired the teacher. The question is, whom did she admire? Admired whom? The answer is the teacher. The object is the teacher. The vendor signed a contract. So, what is the object over here, students? What did the vendor signed? A contract. The vendor signed a contract. Take the intransitive verb, students. What does intransitive verb mean? Verbs that do not require objects to make grammatical sense are known as intransitive verbs. Let's take some examples, students. The first one says, my classmates sang wonderfully. Now, students, in this sentence, object should have been song, but the word song is not mentioned in the sentence. The word song is not mentioned in this sentence. It's absent over here. Take another example. He spoke loudly at the meeting. Now, it is obvious that the person gave a speech, but the word speech is not mentioned, students, which should have been the object, but it's absent over here. I hope you were able to understand in this video what are verbs and the different types of verbs. Thank you.